Hi, Boris here from Manifold Works, and today what we're going to do is show you how to install the Power Plus engine control module from SILA Concepts on the turbocharged Fiat 500.
Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Manifold Works, Texas. Okay. Some of the stuff you will not have on your car. You'll have a stock air box that fills this area here. You're going to need to remove it to get to one sensor over here. It's a manifold pressure sensor. We have obviously the max flow on here and an engine cover. We'll need to remove all that. Okay, this is your manifold pressure sensor right here. It's got 4 wires going to it. We're going to tap into that one. And the next step is we're going to remove the battery tray, the ECU. You're always going to want to disconnect the negative side first. Okay, so we'll go ahead and disconnect this. There. Okay, and you got the ECU ground right there. We'll take that loose. Okay, there you go. There's the ECU ground. Just set this aside, and now you can take your positive loose.
That is going to be the one that's ordered the most.
Okay. All right, there you go. Now you got a 13 millimeter hold down.
This one.
Right there, and then we can yank the battery out of there. All right, now you're going to unplug the ECU. You slide the yellow tab out on both sides, and just lift these. Okay. Be careful. There's micro pins here. You want to be gentle, straight up on both sides. Just like that. There you go. ECU is loose. Okay, next step is we're going to take the battery tray out. There's 3 13 millimeters, one in the center here and 2 on the sides, and then there's a bunch of plugs. Right, there's one there, and there's a series of them that go down and around. So as we pull it up, we'll unplug it and pull it all the way out because the boost pressure sensor is right under here. All right, you're gonna want to lean this forward and pop these off. There's a little, and there's a little carrier right here that this thing goes into, and then boom. So there's a wire that goes through here you go on to, and you want to take that loose. Okay. On the Power Plus, you have two plugs. The 4 is for manifold pressure. Manifold pressure is right here. Okay. The 3 is for boost pressure, which is underneath the battery tray right here. What you're going to do, slide the lock, push on the tab, there you go. Now you're going to look for the ramp side on your 3-pin. You're going to route it through here. And you're going to go find the ramp side again, right there. And you're going to click, make sure to lock it. There you go, nice and tight. Now the lock is up. Just flick around right there. Make sure it clicks. The 4-pin wire around the ECU harness, along the main engine harness. So unlock that red tab, push down on the clip, give it a little pull. Okay, again, the ramp side towards the lock. There you go. Click, lock. Same. This the lock tab goes up. Just push down. Make sure it clicks. So, all right, nice and tight. All right, now we're going to zip tie all this harness out of the way. To reinstall the battery holder plus ECU. All right, you got it down. Now lean it forward and reinstall all your harnesses. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, your next step is you're going to hook your ECU up. You need to be careful here because these pins are small. You need to go make sure you center it on there with the positive underneath it right here like this, and then you're going to lock it in place like that. Same thing with the other side. Take this and you're going to hold it, push it straight down and lock it. Then we're going to reinstall our battery. Then you can connect to your negative side. So we'll get this nice and tight. One thing you do want to remember is there's a very important ground. This is the ECU ground, the ECU bracket ground, so you're going to need to ground that. Next we're going to reinstall the intake tube. So I'm just going to slide her in the hole. There she goes. Get you 8mm. Tighten this baby up. This is where I like to mount the Power Plus. I put it right there on top of the battery. I'll either zip tie or Velcro it down. Alright, that is how you install the Power Plus on your Fiat 500. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Give us a call or email.